Crow, I am really scared. I think we're in deep trouble. Look, it's already dark, and I think we'll find any houses nearby. I wish we will not become supper for some tigers or bears.
I was thinking the same thing, friend. Let's hope we find a solution.
You were supposed to listen to those villagers who warned us about this place. Did you hear that? I was just talking about tigers, and I think they're already here. Bro, what will we do? I don't even know how to climb these tall palm trees.
Hey, I think we might be in luck. Look, I think those are people. I really hope they're not some thieves.
You're right. Oh, tigers are better than thieves.
Hello, good evening, gentlemen. Do you have any beetle leaves to share?
Sure. Why not? Please have it.
Oh, thank you. Are you trying to scare us by showing us a weapon? So, what are you doing in this place at this time? Are you lost? Because no one walks around here so late. People say it's a dangerous area.
Yes. You can say we're lost. We're pilgrims from far away going back to our home. Do you know of any places we can stay? My legs are hurting and we need a place just to rest for the night.
I don't think that will be a problem. You can stay at our house for the night. It's not much, but I think it can save you from animals.
Thank you very much. I hope we're not a burden for you.
Not at all. How could we leave two handsome gentlemen like you just like that? We can prepare some food for you too.
Oh, thank you. We appreciate that very much. But we ate already. We just need a place to relax.
Okay then, just follow us.
What a nice house.
Are you staying in this house alone? Wow.
Oh, yes we are. We do whatever required for the people passing through here, and they give us something in return. That is how we make living.
But you are our special guests.
You show him the room. Sir, come with me, I'll show you your room.
Good night. We can't thank you enough for saving us from that dangerous situation.
Don't worry now. Maybe I can give you a massage for your tired legs. Why are you keeping that bag near the pillow? It will make your sleep uncomfortable. Maybe you can keep it on that table.
Oh no, I can't do that. There's a holy book in it. I can't sleep without having it within my reach.
Move the bag to the table.
Sorry, I can't.
Why can't you do that much for me? We give you all comfort when you are in such trouble.
Oh my God! Where am I? What is going on here? How I reach here? Where's my friend? What are you doing here? Oh damn, who is that? I am surprised why no one warned you about this place. You fell in the trap of them too, right? Yes, sir. That is what happened exactly. The villagers warned us. How did you escape from them? I think because of the holly book in my hand, they were not able to touch me. Who is that? That was my friend. Whoever it is, just leave as soon as possible, man. I don't know what I will do. He just married recently and his wife is expecting. What I will tell that girl? You can't do anything for him now. Just leave.
And that concludes first part. What was it all about? It is a mythical folk story of old days. In those days, my place was not as crowded as now, and certainly no traveling facilities, mostly forests filled with dangerous animals. Both men and women had long hair, usually tied back or to the side. Pilgrims walked long distances, and most villagers welcomed them warmly, offering food and lodging for free. Guests were treated like royalty. Everyone wore white dresses back then. Expect some celebrations or religious functions. Most of the men and women used to chew betel leaves, and sharing betel leaves was a way of showing friendship. I read this story from the book written by Kadarathiel Senkuni, a wise scholar who shared our pass-through folk tales passed down as rumors. His stories give us insight into olden times. One smart fellow, I don't know who, wrote this tale, and I truly believe it helped keep women safe. The character of Yakshi, a ghostly beauty luring men for her meal, was ingeniously crafted to serve as a warning. Imagine a man hearing tales of a place infested with Yakshis and arriving late at night. A ravishing woman approaches, or he goes to her with ill intent. He recalls this story and sees her long hair and white dress. As soon as the lady asked for share betel leaves, surely he would run away in fright. Because those are the exact characteristics of Yakshi. Who could have come up with a better way to protect ladies from bad men than this? Let's delve deeper into the connection between palm trees and other tree Yakshipala, or Eshalampala, which is also called Devil's Tree believed, where Yakshi used to live. Palm fruit is different from coconut. It's grown in bunches connected weakly to the tree, posing risk of falling on someone's head if they sit nearby or walk underneath. The tree Eshalampala is even worse. Its flowers emit an enticing scent, but produce high levels of carbon monoxide, making it deadly to sleep nearby. These stories save lives. Sometimes people never listen to advices. And that is the time horror stories become handy. Thank you for listening. See you later.